Today, we're going to be tying a Scooter Midge. This is a fly that was originally tied by Matthew Guinn, aka Scooter. It's been a long-time staple out here on the South Holston and Watauga rivers. You can imitate a midge, a scud, mayfly, nymph, a caddis, or just about any little bug. Tie these in a variety of colors. It's a great fly to have in the box. We're going to be using a TMC 2488H size 18 and a 2.0 copper bead. We're using an 8/0 olive done uni thread. And we'll be tying in crystal flash, pearl crystal flash in midge size. Tie it all the way back to the bend. And then we'll be tying in D-rib. This is called D-rib because one side looks like the flat side of the D and the other side looks like the curved shape of a capital D. I'm trying to tie it in with the flat side facing up so that as you start to wrap it, the curved side ends up facing up, which creates a lot of really nice segmentation as you're tying the fly. Typically give it a loose wrap or two to make sure that the orientation's correct. And then I pull tight. And then as I wrap up the body, I'll loosen it, which creates a little bit of a taper as you're moving up the fly. Tie it off with a wrap or two behind, wrap or two in front. That helps lock in the material. Clip it close. Do a whip finish or two. And then we'll end up clipping the tail about 3 sparkles back. There you go. That's the Scooter Midge.
And I wish we were chasing waterfalls somewhere in North Carolina. And I wish I was home.